It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
Damn, who knew? All the planes we flew, good things we've been through, that I'll be standing right here talking to you about another path. I know we love to hit the road and laugh, but something told me that it wouldn't last. Had to switch up, look at things different, see the bigger picture. Those were the days, hard work forever pays. Now I see you in a better place. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I would do, you were standing there by my side, and now you gon' be with me for the last ride.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way, from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.
This is that ice cold Michelle fight for that white gold. This one for them hood girls, them good girls, straight masterpieces. Stylin', wildin', living it up in the city. Got Chuck's on with Saint Laurent. Gotta kiss myself, I'm so pretty. I'm too hot. Call the police and the fireman, I'm too hot.
Прекрасно през тези 3 години, които изминахме, макар някакви много премеждания, ние винаги бяхме заедно. Един ние си подкрепяхме. Когато някой обидеше един от нас, той обиждаше всички, защото ние бяхме много голямо семейство.
Какво да кажа? Майна!
Аз съм педерас.
Стоп!
Mississippi. If we show up, we gon' show out. Smoother than a fresh drop skipping. I'm too hot. Call the police and the fireman. I'm too hot. Make a dragon wanna retire, man. I'm too hot. What does the fuck say? What the fuck say?
Когато ме наричаш твоето зайче и ме вземаш на ръце, аз зная колко други си мечтаят да са в твоето сърце. Ще те наричам моето зайче, но от емблема на плейбой. Щом си ме направил твоя, знай, че трябва да си мой. Побира 2 пъти и сякаш забавлява те. Колко малка съм до теб. При целуване повдигаш ме на пръсти всеки път, за да стигнат устните, готови да ме разтопят. Когато ме наричаш твоето зайче и ме вземаш на ръце, аз зная колко други си мечтаят. So love me like you do, la la, love me like you do, love me like you do, la la. me like you do. Touch me like you do. What are you waiting for? Fading in, fading out, on the edge of paradise. Every inch of your skin is a holy grail I've gotta find. Only you can set my heart on fire. On fire, yeah.
You're just a small bump unborn. In 4 months you're brought to life. You might be left with my hair, but you'll have your mother's eyes. Oh, I'll hold your body in my hands, be as gentle as I can. But for now, you're a scan of my unmade plans. A small bump. In 4 months you'll open your eyes. I'll hold you tightly. I'll give you nothing but truth. If you're not inside me, I'll put my future in you.